Here I have a 2017 Lincoln MKX. I need to remove the airbag module, and it's under the center console, though I don't know how to remove it. So I'll just start prying things and hopefully it comes apart. So prying the side cover, and there's clips in there, and I assume it's all the way up to the front dash, and I'll have to remove same panel on the other side just by prying with a plastic pry tool. I'm hoping I don't have to remove the seats. That would make a lot more work, so we'll see how that goes. Once you get it started to separate with the pry tool, just use your bare hands. That seems to work just as well as anything. Reach down and pry out. I don't know yet if I have to remove the whole cover or not. Figure out, actually anchors the center console down. I see a bunch of screws, so I'll take the whole panel off to gain access to the bolt heads. So there must be a clip up here somewhere. There. Kind of a slotted affair there apparently. And to actually pull out, it kind of slid back and it popped out. Guess I'll slide up without wrecking anything. I don't know yet. But I assume all these bottom side screws have to be removed on both sides, obviously, and then I think the back end should pop up and maybe I can get my hands in there and get the thing out. So I came back, popped out this upper side panel as well. Goes on here, popped out with my fingers. Didn't break any tabs off, luckily. One of the steel clips, got steel clips that cinch over the plastic tabs. One of these slipped off, so it fell inside. I'll have to retract that when I go to reassemble it. So I came back, ended up removing a little screw in here and a little screw here. And I had to pop this fake wood trim panel out. Was able to reach with the side cover off. I was able to reach underneath up towards the front and pull, and the clips released. And then there was a screw hidden under here, right here. Remove that screw, and then on both sides, of course. And then I pulled back and it separated. So I'll see if I can pull it back far enough to lift up for accessibility to that airbag module. I think something is holding it. There might be another wire attached. So I had to remove this wire, do the clip. It's like pull that out. This is all separated up here. but something in back keeping it from pulling any further, so take a look at that. There's a big wiring harness on the passenger side. That has to come apart, and then you can pull the center console backwards. Alright, so the center console is pulled back far enough now. I have it pulled back between the seats, resting on the rear seat. Anyway, there's a safety restraint system module, or airbag control module. Actually, it says restraint control module. That's it.